Need a better way to clarify roles and responsibilities in your project? Let's talk about the RACI Matrix. It's a simple tool that brings clarity to who does what, so your team can work smarter, not harder. What is a RACI Matrix? A RACI Matrix is a project management tool used to define and assign who is responsible for what in a project. It ensures everyone knows their role, avoids overlap, and prevents tasks from falling through the cracks. RACI stands for R for responsible, does the work and completes the task. There can be several. A for accountable, owns the task and approves the result. Only one per task. C for consulted, provides input or expertise. It means two-way communication. I for informed, kept updated on progress. One-way communication. How to use the RACI Matrix, step by step. Step 1. Create the header. Specify who the matrix is for, team or project, and include the creation or last update date. Don't forget to include a legend that explains what each RACI letter means, so it's clear to everyone from the start. Step 2. Determine the team members. Identify all affected individuals, including team members and their roles. This can include team leads, developers, clients, or subject matter experts. Step 3. List the activities. Now fill out the list of tasks down the left side. Focus on key decisions, phases, or deliverables that need role clarification. For example, bid planning, bid leading, negotiation, contract preparation, signing contracts. Step 4. Assign responsibilities. This is where you define who does what. R. Does the task. A. Owns the outcome. C. Provides input. I. Stays informed. Each task should have only one accountable person to ensure clear ownership. Step 5. Follow and maintain. A RACI Matrix needs regular updates. Share it, review it often, and adjust as the project or roles change to keep everyone aligned. When you use a RACI Matrix, you will benefit from clear roles and ownership, better communication, less duplicated work, fewer dropped tasks, faster decision-making. It's a small tool with a big impact. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe for more.